Okay, so I figured I would do a video showing you guys what my favorite hair care products are because I find this interesting, especially if you are like me and you have fine hair. I think like then what you use needs to be a little bit more specific. So you might find this video really helpful for your hair. Okay, so I will begin with what I use to wash and condition my hair. And this might seem odd to you guys, but like I'm telling you, this Dove shampoo is the best shampoo. I used to buy expensive shampoos and I have also gone through an array of cheaper shampoos. This, I don't know if it's because I have fine hair. I don't know what it is. It also smells incredible. This is the best shampoo. I've been using this now for a few years. I love it. I will continue to buy it. And you know, I'm just like super happy too that it's affordable, and I get the mango and the mango smells amazing. So conditioner. This is actually what I used to use in shampoo as well, but I switched out, I think just because, I think actually I ran out of my shampoo. So this is the Joico K-Pack. I ran out of my shampoo and I think in the basement we had that Dove. So I was like, oh, I'll just use the Dove. And then I started using the Dove and I was like, oh my God, this is so good. Anyway, I have been buying this for so many years now, probably 10 years. It's the Joico K-Pack Reconstructing Conditioner. I get it in a huge thing because I know I'm going to go through it all. For me, I have fine hair, so I feel like this is not a very waxy or like weighing down conditioner. I really like it. I like to believe, and I think it helps my hair stay healthy. I think my hair looks pretty healthy, although I feel like I'm shedding. Maybe I'm not shedding, but yeah, like I'm telling you guys, sometimes I'll go get highlights done in my hair and my hair will feel so damaged, and then give it like, I don't know, a couple of weeks using this and my hair comes back to life. It has that shine. It's like it closes the porosity. Does that make sense? Like it just, like seals my hair. I guess that's what I'm trying to convey. I feel like this is the best thing. And you know how they sell you, and I swear to God, it is such a freaking scam. I got it done last time I went and got my hair colored, is they sell you the protein treatment. So this girl, I didn't go with my normal hairdresser. I was so pissed off. So my normal hairdresser was really booked up. So I went with this other girl at the salon. She did the worst job. And then she charged me like $30 or something for this protein treatment. She was so lazy. She put it on, she like used a brush and she barely even put it on. She didn't even put it all over my hair. It was so lazy. And it did nothing. She still fried my hair and I was so pissed off. Anyway, so I figured this is like, I swear to God, it's the same thing because it's a keratin conditioner. I leave this on in the shower. I swear it does just as good of a job as you will get when you pay that expensive fee of getting the keratin protein treatment at the salon. Like I swear to God, use this continuously and just like let it sit on your hair a few minutes. It's amazing. I really like it. Because I get the big thing, it's expensive, but it's so worth it in the end, right? So that's why I use conditioner and shampoo. Then this is a recent find of mine, this dry shampoo, the Dove, and I get the unscented and fresh. Is it even, I swear it still has a scent. I can't smell anything. Maybe it doesn't. I don't know. I kind of feel like it does. It's amazing. So I used to use I'll put it up on the screen because I can't remember the name, the Batiste or whatever kind. And it would leave like white marks and I would be rubbing them in and like people would tell me, oh, you have like a white spot on your head. This does not do that. It even says no visible residue. It's amazing. The only thing to take note of is it does make your hair, like, I guess what I want to say is you won't be able to put your fingers through your hair easily because it does, I don't know how to explain it. It makes it like, I don't want to say crunchy because it's not crunchy, but I just can't explain it. Your hair is not as silky soft, but then again, there's no residue and it works really good and it's affordable. I really like Dove products. Then this is something that I have had for so long. I completely forgot about it, but it's so funny. Whenever I find this product again, I'm like, oh my God, why did I stop using it? It's so good. So this is by OGX. It is the Nourishing Coconut Oil. The smell of this is incredible if you like tropical scents. Oh my God, it's so good. It's so good. And especially for fine hair, this does not make your hair oily. Sometimes I'll put it in my hair when it's damp to help comb it out. And speaking of combing, this is the comb I use when my hair is wet. I'm really careful. I start at the bottom, detangling. I'll even go by section, starting at the bottom. So yes, I use this, and you can actually use quite a bit of it, and my hair has never felt oily from it, and it smells incredible. So I'll either use this or I use the Moroccan oil. This is the light. These are like my detangling agents. So I'll use one or the other. And yes, I need that. I have very fine hair, like I mentioned, so it tangles really easily when it's wet. And this, I just put a little bit in the palm of my hands, rub it in. I never apply it to my root area or higher up on my head, just like here down. Because this definitely, if you use too much, will make your hair appear oily. This so far hasn't, but then again, I do not put it at my root, but it's been amazing. Both of these products are really good, especially too if you have like a little bit of frizz or you just want to moisturize the ends of your hair. I think these are really good. And this is a really affordable option. Definitely this is quite expensive, Moroccan oil. I can't remember exactly how much for this size. It might be around $30. Okay, so for styling, one of the things I have, well, not really styling, but because I have fine hair, if I do want to go for more volume, which I don't always do, it's pretty rare, because I actually hate the feeling of products in my hair, but it's this Kevin Murphy anti-gravity spray. Hopefully they still sell this like this because this is quite old for me, but it is a really good one. If I want to add volume, I will spray it around my roots and then I'll blow dry my hair upside down and I will have tremendous volume. And to be honest, I should be using this more because it is really good. And then another hair item I have that I don't always use, but sometimes I do, and maybe in the summer I'll use it a little bit, is the John Frieda Glow Blonder. Oh my God, Go Blonder. And I have done, I think like 2 videos on this. It's really good if you want to enhance the blonde in your hair, just lighten up your hair a little bit. It's just a really nice way also to go in between highlights. I feel that's usually what I use it for, is to kind of just like extend my highlights. And oh, okay, one more thing. Well, I guess 2 more. This brush is really good. This is like, I kind of think of this as like my second day, you know, when you don't wash your hair every day, like second day brush. It's just really nice. I don't like to use this for blow drying or anything like that. This is just when my hair is purely dry, but it is a really nice brush. I also like the size. It's by Iciness. I don't know. And these like really massage your scalp, I feel like. So if you really want to, I mean, you can bring like the oil from your scalp down your hair, which is actually really good to do sometimes. And then I also like to wash my hairbrushes because I have fine hair, so I wash it quite often too. It washes really nicely. And then this is like my everyday brush. It kind of looks like crap, but I get these from HomeSense, which is the same as Home Goods. They're usually around like $6, $7. And they are really, really good. For me, when I blow dry my hair, this is like my blow dry brush. It just goes through my hair really nicely. It's also really good if your hair is wet. If you have strong enough hair where you can put a brush through it when it's wet, this one is really good. And I used to use this a lot when I didn't have highlights on my hair, but now when my hair is wet, I do this, unless I'm blow drying. But yeah, so those are all of my hair care products. That is how I maintain my hair. I I'm crazy about the health of my hair. I really don't like damaged hair. I cannot stand the feeling of it. So these are all the products that help me to keep my hair healthy. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.